Are you tired of drinking out of a regular old thermos? Can? What about like a little cup? We're diving into the wonderful world of Mythic Mugs by Ars Moriendi, and it's gonna be magnificent. Welcome back. I'm Jester from Jester's 3D Tabletop Gaming. I know it's been a while, but today we're gonna be having a little bit of fun checking out those mugs right there, which have been my newest addiction. Yes, that's right. I can't get enough of them because they are amazing. And if you are a nerd, a tabletop gamer, and you need something cool and unique to bring to your table, then you're gonna want to check out these 3D printable files because they are the cat's pajamas, the bee's knees. They are the greatest, the best. Anyhow, let's just dive into it. Welcome to my collection of Mythic Mugs. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, here we go. So Ars Moriendi started a Kickstarter, Mythic Mugs, and it was legendary. It was the coolest thing ever. I seen this and I'm like, I need to jump on board with this. And I'm so glad I did because of, Kickstarter and the wonderful thing called pledges. Not only did I unlock the original 14 mugs that I was hoping for, but so many more. And they have been releasing them over the weeks here. And every time they release a new one, I just become so excited because they're so cool. I've never been drinking my beverages in more style than I am now. I have a small D&D group, and I have given each of them their own little mug, and they have been thrilled with them. And I can't stop printing them, as you can see here. I need to print more, and more, and more, and more, and more, and more, until I have the ultimate collection of Mythic Mugs, because they are addicting. Once you have one, you need them all. You just do. So anyhow, in front of me here, I've got a pretty good collection. I don't nearly have all of them printed yet, but I will. So we've got ourselves the Rogue, the Dungeon Master. We've got ourselves the regular Tavern Mug, the original mug that I believe they started with, the wonderful Mimic. That's right, careful or it might bite your face off while you're trying to enjoy your beverage. We've got the Lion's Brew, we've got the Monk. This would be the same as this one, just not painted. Then we've got the Treasure Mug, the Artificer, which is cool. This is the first mug that they decided to do something a little bit different with, because it's not just a mug, it's also like a docking bay, and they tried to do something cool where the Artificer is almost mechanical in their creations. So you can kind of change and swap things around, which is a really cool dynamic. I absolutely love what they did with this. And you can use this as a little dice tray. So satisfying. And then, if you want, so, boom, I can use this as a nice little dice tray if I want, with the beautiful lids that print and glide on effortlessly. There we go. Imagine showing up to your D&D game with that as your dice box. I gotta say, that's pretty cool, and I would be impressed. So they are designing a special and unique lid for every one of these mugs, which is pretty mind-blowing if you ask me. They don't have them all out yet, but they're coming. So unfortunately, for those of you that did not manage to find this awesome Kickstarter and back it, they do have a website where all of the STL files are available to download and buy and print for yourself. They had also signed up with 20 merchants tier vendors, so they are selling those on various platforms on the internet. I'm sure you can track them down if you're really looking, and if you don't have a 3D printer yourself. But if you do, I definitely recommend going and supporting these people, because not only do they make beautiful files, but they've got an awesome online presence. They're quick at response. They've just been an all-around joy to deal with, and I gotta say I'm thoroughly impressed. So a little bit more about these things. All of them can be either printed threadless or threaded. I don't know if you can actually see that, but these ones got the little threads. So you can take any old lid you want, boom. This is the Tavern lid. I could put this on my Mimic mug if I wanted to, as I'm failing to do so. I might have used too much paint. Here we go. I can't say that pink is the best color for the Mimic, but he'll get over it. So the next thing with that is these fit pretty much every can size you can think of. All you need to do is print the special inserts for them. I've only got 2 of the inserts here. The small, we'll just slap that in there, and then the large. So essentially, by printing your different inserts, you're allowing yourself to use almost any can size you want. They even have the sleeves so that you can use bottled beer. You can use the thin bottles of the thin cans. You can use the tall cans of beer. Pretty much all cans fit these things, and they're amazing. So it's just as simple as sliding in your can, and then away you go. So by the time you slap a little bit of paint on these, put on a clear coat, and then you are good to go with them. And that's the one thing though, they're not, you know, drink ready. It's not exactly something you want to be drinking straight out of. I'm sure if you coated it with the right material, you'd be all right to do so. But that's not quite the case, at least in my opinion. I would much rather just put my can in here and enjoy it that way. But I'm no longer drinking out of boring old cans. I've got the coolest mugs that I can print out of, which is perfect because we host a Halloween party and this year's theme is actually D&D, so that is why this collection came at the most perfect time in my life. I wasn't just done printing them on my PLA printer. I also had to print miniature versions on my resin printer at 25% scale because these things are adorable. They don't even fit, okay, they do fit my pinky inside of them. And I almost want to find the right scale to print these as little shot glasses, because I think that would just be the coolest. I'd have to find shot glasses to fit. But they're just so cute! They're so cute! Printed at 25% scale, like, look at how cute that is! Quick, cue slideshow time! Slideshow time complete! So Ars Moriendi and Mythic Mugs, thank you so much for creating an absolutely beautiful product. You guys rock. Keep up the good work. Anyhow, I'm Jester from Jester's 3D Tabletop Gaming. I'm back. Sorry I was gone so long. I hope you guys have been having a good time because I'm having a good time. Until the next time, bye-bye.